Yo, what's up guys? It's your boys G&J Danger Zone, and we're back again today on a quad review. Check out this bad boy, everyone. It's an absolute weapon of a quad, people. You wouldn't even believe what upgrades and stuff it's got to it. I'm going to get round, I'm going to show you everything that's on it, and hopefully show you what she's got. Apart from that, so basically she is a...
Oh gee, what is it?
I don't know, what is she?
It's a YFZ 450 Yamaha quad. I think it's standard CC. I don't think it's a big ball kit, but first things you can see is the wider A-arms, the Fox Evo front forks. They're always a nice upgrade on these.
Check these out, guys. Absolutely stunning.
Definitely worth having.
Yeah.
Then you got Lagers, I think. I don't know how you pronounce it. Nerf bars on the side. It's got a full Doma exhaust. Doma, forgive me on the pronunciations.
Get round there, that's the exhaust.
It's got what's the name of it? Power Commander. Steering dampener down there. Let's see if we can start it up. Never remember how to do this one.
Got lights.
It's cold.
Yeah, she's cold, guys. Sounds absolutely lovely, guys.
Too noisy.
Yeah, purrs over lovely, guys, as you can hear.
Yeah, I'll roll it forwards. You can see the Dominator 2. Where are you going? Dominator 2 wider rear axle.
Look at that, guys.
That's $800 by itself.
$800 for this, guys.
Got upgraded wheels on it. They're different.
And the brakes, guys, look how clean they are.
Yeah, new pads. Should put them in the other day because they were just looking up on the metal. Got Senko blue hoses. It's got Power Commander, which if you look through there, G, you can see the little twisty adjustment knobs. They're the actual settings of it. I don't know if you can see them there, little tiny grey.
Yeah,
So you can just about pick one out, can't
just
you?
make them out.
There's little tuning adjustments under there.
Ah,
Yeah,
so I mean, it's got this is water cooled as well.
yeah, Senko blue hoses, Hinson clutch cover.
Yeah, this cover costs like $100.
Yeah,
for this.
like that, $110.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice big chunky Nerf bars on the side.
Look at that, guys. Look at the size of them.
And then you've got the cornering angle as well, so you can get your foot sideways. So when you lean, you can get a bit more weight into it.
at that, guys.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's in stunning condition. This is really a good example of one of these.
Yeah, it's very nice. It rides really well as well.
Yeah, if you check out our other videos, guys, up the new farm, you'll see this on that video. Even the stickers, guys, absolutely freaking fantastic.
Come round here and get close up on this front of this frame on the chassis there. How clean it is, where all the bolts are and stuff like that.
Look at that, guys, look how clean that is. And if you look back at the video that we did up the new farm, how dirty this quad was, unbelievable. And look how she washes up, like brand new. Even the brakes down there, guys, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Ball joints even, look at that, looks brand spanking new.
Yeah, it's nice quads. I think these are quicker than the Raptors, to be fair, as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, the power just holds out for longer.
Look at these hand guards, look at that. Very nice.
Go on, G, try and pronounce it.
Yeah.
Go on, go on.
What do you reckon, guys? What does this say? Ass.
Ass?
Ass.
This is ass, does it?
Ace. Ace. Rib. No.
That was it? Yeah, who was that?
Ace. Rib.
Oh, it's funny, G. Yeah. Ace Rubis, I guess. I don't know. God knows.
Guys, correct us if we've got this wrong.
Yeah, pronunciations. We're English, we're terrible.
Yeah. Everything on this, guys, looks absolutely stunning.
Ass Rubis.
So you got some lights bits down there.
Dashboard.
Dash, yeah, little dash.
Grip locks, look. Hold your grips on.
Nice.
Coming off.
Yeah. Even this side, guys, stunning plastics. Can't fault it. And the seats, no rips or tears in this. Yeah, it's beautiful. Close up of this side, guys. Coming close.
Did I really live there? You know, two looks sideways, not the other way. I didn't get into bikes till I was gone 20. Yeah. I was always thought they were bad, so I never got the experience when I was young. I've got the fear now, I don't bounce. So, yeah, you need to learn. That's what's saying your boy, just get on there, yeah. You learn so much.
He loves the car, doesn't he? He's confident, like,
He's
not stuck.
Yeah, and it takes a little bit up to water. It's just amazing for him to watch as well, see him progress.
That's it, guys. Oh, yeah, you never know, you might see this out in another video one day, guys. I'm not sure yet. We won't be in this weather because it's absolutely freezing.
We're not back up the plant for 4 months, are we?
Yeah, so it's going to be a while. Yeah, guys, stay tuned, and you never know when you see this bad boy again. And the lights under there, guys. Let's look at that. That looks fucking sexy, boys. soon. The lights should get their warning lights and stuff, so anything wrong. Sounds absolutely beautiful. Happy days. Alright then guys, well thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon. We've got other quads, a farm quads and other things coming guys, so please stay tuned. And that's a project we've got coming up, so be a start to finish job, so yeah, make sure you watch that. Yeah, we'll be back with more quads, more bikes. Oh yeah, and we have electric bikes as well guys, Serons and other electric bikes, so we'll be reviewing them and posting that very soon. So thanks guys, stay tuned, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.